Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. This one we can put like this. So number 2 with number 1 we have number 3. So we have the formula in here. Because we have sine 3x squared, that is about this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 3x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 3 sine 3x dx. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sine 3x dx we change for this one. So this one multiply by number 1 and u square. And now we have the final answer. So number 7, we put this one cone here. 7 plus 1, we have number 8. The next one, that is about number 10. About u, that is about cosine 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.